Hello everybody and welcome back. Welcome back to another episode here at Maple Monkey Media. My name, this guy right here, is Adam, and I thank you so much for tuning in. Today is what? Today is Wednesday, but that's not what I was gonna say. Today's video is gonna be about, oh, you can't see it yet. That machine right there, Shopsmith. It's a Shopsmith Mark 7. There was a comment the other week, I believe, that I just seen the other day. They wanted to see another video about the Shopsmith. So that's what today's video is gonna be, about the old, probably 60 or 70-year-old Shopsmith Mark 7. So down on the very bottom, it's super easy to move around. There are mechanical just levers right there that you push up and down with your foot, which raises and lowers it, and the wheels just float right along. So there's one of the attachments right there. It can be converted over into a drill press, or you can use it as a sander as well. All right, well, considering the machine is about 60 or 70 years old, it's not really working the greatest. I don't have the right size belt on it. It's about a ½ inch to an inch off. I couldn't find the right one. And I believe the previous owner changed the motor and maybe messed up a couple of the things while he did that. So now I'm the new owner and it's affecting me. Oh, there we are. Got to get myself in focus first. So it's affecting a couple things here with me operating it. A couple other items that it has is a jointer, a bandsaw, and a couple other attachments as well. That was on one of the lowest settings. Right now I can smell the belt rubber in the air. It's not burning, but it's definitely getting hot. Too much tension, like I said earlier, the wrong size belt for the application, unfortunately. There is a dial on the side where I can adjust the RPM per the machine and per the unit that I'm using at the time. Well, there we have it. We have the bandsaw hooked up, We're gonna see if it works. It's one of the lowest settings, so that's fine. What I'm having problems with is the higher settings. So there might be some sparks flying. There might be some loud noises. Well, no, that's a guarantee there's gonna be some loud noises. But we're gonna see what happens with the bandsaw. Might even be able to make a cut. Let's get aboard just in case. Well, that's not too bad. I think I gotta go down one more setting though. Oh, nope, tripped the breaker. All right, we're good. Let's try this again. Oh, geez, you turn your back for 1 second, and it seems there's peace on the ground. What do we have here? Yeah, there's something blew up inside. Well, it's on video. Huh. I wonder what it was. Well, we got some... It was working good. It was working really good. So yeah, well, I guess that's gonna be the video. That's the shopsmith. I'm gonna have to take it even more apart. There's covers and all that to go on it all, but like I said, it needs too much work to keep it all and take it all apart and do it all over again. But yeah, that's Saw. I mean, it was working really good. It was working really good. And something came apart in it. I don't know. We're gonna take it apart and find out. Anyway, appreciate you checking out the video. That is the shopsmith video for the day here at Maple Monkey Media. My name is Adam and I am signing off. I hope you just have a fantastic day, fantastic night. Keep chasing your dreams. One more thing. Thank you. Thank you very much. Woo! Woo, woo, woo! Cheers.